Welcome 7th standard children. This is your first geography class. Now the lesson is environment. You know what is environment? Environment means the surroundings. What all we have around us. Around us we have buildings, trees, then what all houses, or what all you have in your surroundings, that's called what? Environment. Some objects are, so among these, some objects are created by nature, some are created by human beings. For example, buildings, the house near you, there the road and all are made by human beings. But what about the mango trees, coconut trees, then plants, grass and all, that is made by nature. Cat, animals, human beings, that is all created by nature. So now one thing here they are telling about Ravi. Now Ravi usually he goes to school, that is the beginning of that lesson. So near his school there was a big field. There they used to play and all. There were plants, butterflies, then marigolds and all. Where the animals, the boys were very happy, they can play in that. But what happened? Suddenly one day they knew that one building is going to come there. So these children were very sad. Even the headmaster also announced that one building is going to come there, one flat is going to come there. So these children all were very unhappy. The teacher told our environment is going to change. Now why this environment is going to change? Because of our needs. Our environment is changing. Because the population is increasing, they need people need place to live. They'll go on building apartments and all, isn't it? And also for more work, office. So due to that, because of our needs is going on increasing day by day. Needs column, the environment also changes. Now here I have written in the textbook, when you open the textbook you can see this pattern. Components of environment. Components of environment, enthakkan environment lo ullathu? Component, that is made by nature, natural, and human made, human. That is natural, that is prakriti, that is water. Water is called hydrosphere, air is called atmosphere, land is called lithosphere, and living things. Living things plants, human beings, living things we call biosphere. That is all nature, natural. That environment in the same way here also human made. Road, parks, bridges, buildings, monuments, all these buildings, that is made by human being. And also environment in the that is individual, then family, then what? Community, community, then educational, school, then economic, business, offices, then politics, Rashtriya Bhagam. All this environment in the components are nature made, then human made, human beings. All these are components of environment. Now you know that, and here I have written about biotic and abiotic. Biotic means plants and animals, that living organisms. Living organisms, example plants and animals are called biotic. And also non-living element, that is land. Land is called abiotic, land. Now natural environment, you know that land, water, air, plants, animals, all this comprise of natural environment. And I told you it is known by atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. So you know what is lithosphere? Lithosphere means the land, isn't it? On this land, we human beings are living, we are building houses, we are building buildings, all this minerals we are getting, mountains are there, plains are there, plateaus, valleys and all are there on the land, isn't it? Same way inside the ocean also, അതായത് സമുദ്രത്തിന്റെ താഴെ നമുക്ക് കാണാം land, isn't it? Bed, ocean floor എന്ന് പറയും. There also we can see land. So all this land part is called lithosphere. Same way hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means water. Water in the വെള്ളത്തിന്റെ ഭാഗത്തിനാണ് we'll say hydrosphere. That is what all comes, rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, all these come under hydrosphere. Same way atmosphere. Yeah, now our earth is surrounded by a layer of air, isn't it? Because of this air we are all living. That part is called what? Atmosphere. Now because of the gravitational pull of the earth, this atmosphere is there close to the earth around us. Now this atmosphere protects us from the scorching heat of the sun. വല്ലാത്ത ചൂടിൽ നിന്നൊക്കെ നമ്മളെ രക്ഷിക്കുന്നത് what? This atmosphere. Even harmful rays are there. Ultraviolet rays, അങ്ങനത്തെ harmful raysൽ നിന്നൊക്കെ നമ്മളെ രക്ഷിക്കുന്ന എന്താണ്? This atmosphere. Now and also this changes in the atmosphere causes climate and weather. Atmosphere എങ്ങനെ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അതിനനുസരിച്ചിട്ടാണ് ക്ലൈമറ്റും വെതറും ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. That's all. Then plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere. Then I wrote and gave you biosphere means what? Plant, animals, എല്ലാ living thingsum ഉള്ളൊരു ഭാഗത്തുള്ളതിനാണ് we call biosphere. That living world is called what? Biosphere. Now that much for today's class, children. Thank you. So up to here you all have to read the lesson well, and the rest of the lesson I will be continuing in the next class. Thank you, children.